Zhenyuan Technology, global resource mining efficient, crushing and screening solutions provider and service supplier. We are always committed to creating greater value for our customers with more reliable technology. And we have hundreds of outstanding technical experts. The product range includes crushing and screening plant, mineral sizer, roller screen, and heavy-duty apron feeder. Zhenyuan Technology has attracted clients from many countries for on-site inspections with its numerous innovative technological global expansion. Together, we aim to create a new era of mutual benefit and win-win cooperation. We believe that products are the means to implement services. Through persistent technological innovation, we have achieved over 50 national patents that we are proud of. We were the first in the industry to achieve ISO 9001 quality management system certification, thanks to our scientific quality management system and advanced product quality testing methods. Our product quality consistently maintains a leading position in the industry. At every usage site, we conduct in-depth assessments of working conditions to tailor customized solutions for our clients, ensuring optimal crushing and screening performance under various operational scenarios. We provide crushing and screening systems for Zhenyuan Energy, Guanghui Mining, TBEA, and Xinjiang Baishan Mining. Provide crusher products for Luan Group, Beitong Coal Mine Group, Shanxi Coal Group, and Shandong Energy. Provide belt feeders for Shenhua Group, Hanan Energy, Wadian Heavy Industries, Yangguan Coal Group, and Yitai Group. One-on-one products and services have earned the trust of users. The products are distributed worldwide and exported to many countries, including Russia, Australia, Brazil, Indonesia, Turkey, and others. We are consistently committed to our mission of creating greater value for our customers.